Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Russ with a song called Last Night. I believe you had Russ here before. Great song here. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We're going to look at the 3 chords needed here. But first, let's start with the capo on the 3rd fret. So, capo on 3rd. And let's start with the A minor 7. So that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be the B minor 7. So you have a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. That means 5 strings from bottom up like this. And the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be D major 7. And what you do here, you just put a bar on the 2nd fret from the G string and down. So the last 3 strings here in the bottom. You just put a bar there and you incorporate the open D string. So open D, and then comes 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. All right, so there we have the chord progression that goes through the entire song. A minor 7, B minor 7, and D major 7. All right. So now let's look at the final thing, the strumming pattern. We will have one full round that goes for A minor 7, and then we're gonna split the strumming between the B minor 7 and the D major 7. So one full round for A minor 7 goes like this: down, clap, okay? So down, clap, clap. So you play down, clap, down together a little bit faster like this, and then you have a short break after the final down, and then you hit the clap there. So again, that's one round. So down, clap, clap, down, clap, clap. Like this. All right. So A minor 7, one full round. And then you go to the B minor 7 and play part 1, and that is the down clap. So you play part 1 on B minor 7, down clap, and then you quickly change to the D chord here and play down, pause, clap. So you just split this strumming pattern in 2 right after the down clap. That's part 1, and then part 2 is down clap for the D major 7. So A minor, and then B minor, and then D. So together. And standard tempo goes like this. Through the entire song, and that will be it for Russ Last Night. So good luck with this. Play tuned.